This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, December 5th. It'll cost more to cruise to Mexico next year unless the cruise industry steps in. Mexico's Congress and Senate passed a new $42 national immigration fee that will apply to all cruise passengers, including those who do not get off the ship. This replaces a prior exemption. This is expected to generate nearly $500 million annually for Mexico, with 2/3 of the funding allocated to military projects. Those close to the bill says that the president of Mexico is expected to sign it. Now, in addition, Quintana Roo, which is home to Cozumel and Costa Maya, will levy a $5 local infrastructure fee. That's starting early next year as well. To break this down, a family of 4 visiting Cozumel or Costa Maya next year would pay an additional $188, $42 for that national immigration fee, and $5 per person for the infrastructure fee. Critics contend that the cruise industry is being used to compensate for poor government financial oversight, while others say Mexico is posturing and the cruise lines will not let this happen. Mexico sees over 10 million cruise passengers annually. I'm curious, will this new fee impact your decision to go to Mexico? Let me know in the comments. And Carnival Cruise Line has increased the daily cost of the Cheers beverage package by 16%, removing discounts for longer sailings and early purchases. Sent to our tip line, the package, which previously offered a discounted rate of $70.74 per day for cruises longer than 6 days when booked in advance, now costs $82.54 per day, a $12 hike. It is worth noting that while your wallet does get lighter, your drink limit still stays the same. And cruise passengers visiting Greece will now face new taxes starting in 2025. The Greek parliament has approved a $21 tax for Santorini and Mykonos and a $5.27 tax for all other destinations like Rhodes, Corfu, and Crete. This fee aims to address over-tourism and fund sustainability initiatives, with Greece projecting $421 million from this tax revenue. And cruise stocks were up Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 2.6%, 26.78. Royal Caribbean up 1.5%, 249.64. Norwegian up 1.1%, 27.68. And Viking up 1.4%, 46.29. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. tips@cruiseradio.net. This week's podcast, a review of Celebrity Silhouette, also at Cruise Radio. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Thursday.